Hello! Today we are making cinnamon muffins. They're easy and delicious. To begin, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to mix together 2 eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of flour, one tablespoon of baking powder, 2 drops of doTERRA Cassia essential oil. Then we're going to take our muffin tin and either put cupcake liners in there or grease the tin so the batter doesn't stick, whichever you prefer. Either way, we're going to fill each one up 3/4 of the way. Now we'll put our mix aside for now. In a small bowl, we're going to combine a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Once they're mixed together, we're going to spoon the mix over our muffins. Finally, we shall bake the muffins for 12 to 16 minutes or until our tiny wooden sword comes out clean after a good stabbing. Fun fact, if you get cinnamon that's already ground, there's a good chance it's actually cassia. This is because cassia is actually cheaper to produce than cinnamon, but tastes a lot like it. So if you're like me and used pre-ground cinnamon for your topping, I guess it's actually Cassia Muffins since there isn't any cinnamon actually in it. Who knew? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos from me. I post new videos every single week, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!